Hey everyone, this is Julia with the Konkin Review, and today I'm at the Anaheim Hotel at the Disneyland Resort, giving you an honest hotel tour and review. This video is not sponsored, but if you find it helpful, we'd love your support. Give us a like, leave a comment, or subscribe. The Anaheim Hotel is a two-story motel-style resort that is one of the less expensive options that is almost right across the street from the Disneyland Resort. Here's how our reviews work. Each hotel is graded on the same 4 categories, which are overall experience, hotel amenities, room, and value. This way you can see how they stack up against each other. For the Disneyland area hotels, we have adjusted our rating scale to be more lenient, as many of these hotels are from the 60s and are a little worse for wear. From the reviews I've read, many guests on their first visit to the Disneyland Resort are disappointed and surprised to find that these hotels are of a lower quality than they'd expect to find at the same price point. Before even stepping into the hotel, we were warmly welcomed by a wonderfully friendly employee who helped us with our bags. The lobby was super fun and newly updated with a mid-century modern style. The front desk staff was super friendly, but we were offered a text when our room was ready, which never happened. It was fun to be so close to the magic that you can even see the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, Mission Breakout, from the pool area. The fun vibe of the hotel and the proximity to the parks helps bring this rating up, but unfortunately the quality of the room we stayed in doesn't match the rest of the resort and dampened the overall experience. So we're giving it a 3.5 out of 5. The Anaheim Hotel offers one of the most comprehensive lists of hotel amenities in the entire Disneyland area. There is a huge gift shop on property, a well-equipped 24/7 fitness center that offers complimentary apples and earbuds, a super fun outdoor games area with cornhole and a giant Connect 4 board, a funky lobby bar with some amazing craft cocktails, and the Pizza Press restaurant that serves the best pizza in the area, and also some amazing freshly baked cookies. But my personal favorite part of the hotel is the incredible pool area that is beautiful and big enough for everyone. One of the best parts is the food menu is way above average fare, since it's served up by the Pizza Press. The only way they could improve upon this rating is that there is no coffee or food offered at the hotel between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. and the bar area doesn't open until 2 p.m. I've also read that the Wi-Fi doesn't work in all the rooms. All in all, we're giving them a 4.5 out of 5. The most disappointing part of our stay was the room. We stayed in a deluxe 2-king room which was dated, smelled of mildew, had super uncomfortable and old beds, had what looked like bloodstains on the floor of the bathroom, and we found a dead bug on the shelf in the closet. That said, the sheets were clean, the pillows were comfortable, and the in-room amenities were better than average, so we're giving it a 2 out of 5. If you'd like more details, check out our Anaheim Hotel room tour and review video. The location here is great. It's a quick and lovely walk to the Disneyland Resort. The Anaheim Hotel is a little less costly than most of the hotels that are right across the street. The real value here is the proximity to the parks and the fantastic resort amenities that are included. Unfortunately, we're only able to give this hotel a 3 because of the quality of our room. This gives the Anaheim Hotel an overall rating of 3.25 out of 5. This resort would get a much higher rating from me and would be one of my favorite hotels in the Disneyland area if the rooms matched the rest of the resort. With an overall rating of 4 out of 5 on TripAdvisor, there must be better rooms available, but unfortunately, as we experienced, it really is the luck of the draw. I would certainly consider staying here again if they addressed the downfalls of the rooms. If you'd like more information on the Anaheim Hotel, check out our room tour and review, our pool and fitness center tour and review, our real-time walk from the Anaheim Hotel to the Disneyland Resort, and our Pizza Press video. If you're considering other hotels in the area, check out some of our other Disneyland Honest Hotel reviews. I'm Julia, and this has been the Konkin Review.